Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So this one that is about a, this one that is about b. We create about a square minus b square to cancel about the square root. So to create this one, we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. Next, this one we have 9 minus x plus 5. 9 minus 5 we have number 4. Negative and s we have negative s. Next, I will put the negative on numerator and denominator. So, negative 4 minus s we change by s minus 4. Because negative with number 4, we have negative number 4. Negative, negative, we have positive s. S minus 4 divided by s minus 4, we cancel. And now we can put number 4 cone here and here. So we have the final answer. We have negative 54. This is the end. Thank you for watching.